अगर आप बचपन में और लड़कों जैसे होते तो आप ये क्रिएटिव करण जौहर ना होते।
मैंने बस अब ठान लिया था कि आई एम गोइंग टू वन डे बी नोन इन दिस वर्ल्ड।
So tell me one thing that you remember as a little boy between 7 to 9 and you felt that कुछ अजीब है।
और मुझे लगा कि मैं दूसरे लड़कों की तरह नहीं हूँ, मैं उन जैसा नहीं हूँ। जब मैं उनके साथ था तो मैं अजीब था, अलग था, लेकिन जब मैं स्टेज पे चला जाता था आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी एम्पावर्ड दैट आई हैव बीन ऑन many talk shows and podcasts, but I felt a certain kind of I felt a wave of energy coming from you, and it was always beautiful.
Hello everyone, welcome to Janeman with Jay Madan. So I have a very special guest that I really wanted to get up a little more ready for him today. But now that I'm talking to you, I'm going to realize the next 15 minutes is not going to be my show. It's not going to be my talk show because it's going to be taken over. That's him. Whenever he's there, his aura, his presence, his wit, his intelligence takes over everything. Please welcome with me Karan Johar on our show.
It's lovely. I'm very moved with your words. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. And when I look at you, I've always been seeing you. When I look at you, I just feel that, all of us have different masks. So, जब आप 7 साल के थे, is what I sense between 7 to 9 is the first time when you had an encounter of being not in a very comfortable space around. You weren't very young at 7. You matured much before all of us do. So tell me one thing that you remember as a little boy between 7 to 9 and you felt that कुछ अजीब है. I'm just not comfortable with people around. They are just not making me feel comfortable.
दो चीजें हुई, बहुत सही कहा आपने, and you tuned into the exact time of my life. वो एक दौर था where I started feeling, जब आप अपने आप में आ जाते हो और अपने आप को समझने लगते हो, तो I think it happened to me a little earlier than it does normally. और मुझे लगा कि मैं दूसरे लड़कों की तरह नहीं हूँ, मैं उन जैसा नहीं हूँ। वो जो करना चाहते हैं, वो जो कहना चाहते हैं, वो जिस गेम्स या स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, या जो वो उनकी बातचीत जो भी हो, वो उनका जो जैसे उनकी फितरत में जो भी हो, उनकी पर्सनालिटी जैसी हो, मैं उनके जैसा नहीं हूँ। और ये रियलाइजेशन, ये ख्याल मुझे तब आया था। और आई थिंक आई वेंट इनटू सम काइंड ऑफ अ जोन बिकॉज द वेट दैट आई पुट ऑन वाज बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 7 and 9. तो उसके बाद आई थिंक आई जस्ट केम टू टर्म्स के मुझे एक कंफर्ट मुझे सिर्फ खाना में मिलेगा, चॉकलेट्स में मिलेगा, डिजर्ट में मिलेगा। वो कंफर्ट जो मैं कहीं और ढूंढ रहा था और मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था, मुझे वहां मिल गया था। बिकॉज आई वाज कॉम्बैटिंग माई ओन डीमंस, नॉट डीमंस, बट जो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं अलग क्यों हूँ, मैं दूसरे लड़कों की तरह क्यों नहीं हूँ। बहुत सालों बाद मुझे ये बात का एहसास हुआ कि अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो नहीं हूँ। जो मैं हूँ उससे मुझे खुश रहना है, मुझे उसे अपनाना है, or I have to make that my armor and strength. I don't want to be apologetic about who I am.
When you were in your college days and you used to wear baggy clothes, and that was a very, very difficult situation for people commenting on you and you handling those comments. Do you remember any such one word or a regular comment you used to get which you could never associate with it or disturbed you?
It used to, more than anything else, जब आप एक size के होते हो, तो I know there are people who fat shame you. वो आपको मोटा बुलाते हैं, वर्ड्स होते हैं, पीपल आर वेरी इनसेंसिटिव इन लाइफ। वो अपने आप को आई थिंक कुछ खुद के जो खामियां हैं उन्हें छुपाते हैं, और उनका एक छुपाने का मैकेनिज्म है दैट दे अटैक समबडी एल्स बिकॉज दे आर एक्चुअली हाइडिंग बिहाइंड सम लॉट्स ऑफ लेयर्स।
करेक्ट।
तो उनका एक डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म है कि हम अपने बारे में नहीं डील करते हैं, लेकिन आपको नीचा गिराओ। तो it's a mentality.
It's the only way to pull somebody's leg down.
Yeah, so the other word that used to bother me, because I was effeminate as a child and into my college years, was the word pansy एक होता था, which means कि you're like a effeminate boy. The word means pansy. ये जो word मैंने बहुत सुना है in the 80s, going up to the early 90s, ये word जो है वो मुझे बहुत disturb करता था. It was not the weight, the jokes on my weight, but it was this particular comment, which was it felt like a verbal attack on my core being, my personality. And I couldn't express कि मैं इस किस्म का लड़का हूँ, और मेरी ये choices और my interests are different from the other boys. But I feel वो जब मुझे attack करते थे, it used to make me question my very being.
Sometimes anger and pain also becomes our goal in life to get rid of them.
Yeah.
And success is the only way forward to it. So do you think अगर आप बचपन में और लड़कों जैसे होते तो आप ये क्रिएटिव करण जौहर ना होते और यू नेवर हैड टू वर्क हार्डर टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ.
आई डेफिनेटली थिंक कि जब भी आपको नीचे गिराने की कोशिश करता है तो आप दो चीज़ें हो सकती हैं. आप या तो आप उस सर्कमस्टेंस को आप सकम कर लेते हो एंड यू अलाउ इट टू काइंड ऑफ टेक यू डाउन फर्दर, और यू फील के दिस विल गिव मी द फ्यूल टू राइज. तो मेरे साथ वही हुआ था बहुत, बट विदाउट एनी नेगेटिविटी, किसी भी काइंड ऑफ एंगर के बिना. मैंने बस अब ठान लिया था कि आई एम गोइंग टू वन डे बी नोन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. अब वो किस जरिए से, कैसे, वो एग्जैक्ट रोड मैपिंग ऑफ माई लाइफ आई हैडंट मेड, बट आई न्यू कि आई रिमेंबर जब मैं 15 साल का था और जब मैं एक एलोक्यूशन कॉम्पिटिशन में मैंने हिस्सा लिया था अंग्रेजी, एंड आई हैड डन अ लॉट इन स्कूल एंड आई वाज वेरी गुड एट स्टेज, व्हाटएवर आई डिड ऑन स्टेज. इवन दो मैं बहुत शाय लड़का था, फिर भी जब मैं स्टेज पे चला जाता था आई यूज्ड टू काइंड ऑफ, आई फील दैट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम एन ऑडियंस यूज्ड टू एम्पावर मी. जब मैं उनके साथ था तो मैं अजीब था, अलग था, लेकिन जब मैं स्टेज पे चला जाता था आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी एम्पावर्ड. तो मैं आई वॉज वेरी गुड एट इंग्लिश एलोक्यूशन ड्रामा. तो लास्ट एक रिमेंबर 10th स्टैंडर्ड में जब था तो मैंने साल के एंड, जो हमारे टर्म के एंड पे एक एलोक्यूशन था. इट वॉज द लास्ट टाइम आई वॉज कम्पीटिंग इन स्कूल एंड दे सेड दैट यू आर कम्पीटिंग फॉर द लास्ट टाइम, एंड आई गॉट ऑफ द स्टेज और मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिल गया. तब आई वन द फर्स्ट प्राइज. बट इन माई हेड when I was receiving that prize, I remember looking at the audience and feeling that I'm going to be famous one day.
Don't spoil the joy of it. Okay. This is first for you, and you would know how it resonates with you.
Oh wow. Okay. Shall I open it?
Please do all for you.
Oh wow.
That's a Gemini sun sign.
Oh wow.
Bottle. As
I
you
love
said,
that.
Gemini.
Yes.
And I said, let me get you this
Wow.
beautiful silver bottle that
It's
can
beautiful.
also, the metal represents peace. It's a metal which gives you calmness and,
This is so lovely and it's so beautiful. Thank you. This
It
is lovely.
It is one of the
Thank
gifts
you.
to begin with.
No, thank
The
you.
other two comes together. Can we have them, please?
I'm going to keep this. Can I keep this right next to me?
Of course.
So that you don't take it back.
No, I will never take it back. I might give more. I wanted to check Ruhi and Yash date of birth so that I could
7th
gather.
of February.
Oh, great. So they are
The Aquarian.
the Aquarians. So I'll send 2 more bottles for the kids.
Oh wow.
This is heavy for you to lift. Can I have the other one also, please?
Oh wow. Oh my God.
Yeah. These
Oh,
are
wow.
for your mind, the wings, and for your growth, the horses. It's winged horses called Devadatta in Hinduism,
Right.
and Pegasus in Greek mythology,
Oh, wow.
to give you power, give you growth, so that we see Karan not just on runway,
Yeah.
up there.
Wow. These are beautiful. Beautiful. This is good. I don't know where to put them. My brain is running in all directions. I'm like, where can I go?
They'll find their place. They'll find their place because when I looked at them and I was thinking of carrying something for you, and with your personality, the royalty that you have, the passion and the imagination that resonates with planet Moon, which represents silver. So whenever I think of you, silver comes out of my system to give you more blessings of imagination from Lord. And
Thank
so I
you.
thought, let me give you something which represents growth, which represents air element, which
So
is
what
you.
is the first place that comes to your mind where I can place these?
You have a console at the entrance of their home when you entered. It's more towards
Yes.
the right side. I've not seen your house,
Yes.
but a
There
little
is-
bit power
yeah.
that I have to
Yeah.
see through.
Yeah.
I think they look fabulous there.
Okay, great. Okay,
You have some photo frames there as well.
Yes, there is there are 2 frames that are there. There's a console like right next to the dining table that exists there.
Yeah.
So maybe they'll go there. Thank you. That's beautiful that you could see my house. Like wow. I feel like you're reading my heart right now. That I've been on many shows and podcasts, but I felt a certain kind of I felt a wave of energy coming from you, and it was always beautiful, it was always positive, and I felt like I feel I've been immersed and cleansed in a soulful way, and I think that the journey you're on will of course always be beautiful because you have such clarity of thought. But even this particular series of interactions you're going to do, I think you're going to get a lot of love for it, and you're going to actually spread the love more than anything else.
Thank you so much. My whole job is that if even it can touch your words, can touch one person out there who's going through a lot in life. And when I talk to you, I'm just a little trembling because I can feel your pain of what you've gone through. You're healing, but somebody out there must not be healed.
Yeah.
If your words can heal, I think we did our purpose of being there.
Well, we did our best. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And next time, I would like to see you in a skimpy t-shirt or maybe a white shirt. You love that.
Yeah,
You know, with little
well,
few buttons open,
Yeah.
and we see
and
a
maybe
current.
my shirt tucked in. Who knows?
Who knows? And you
Very
don't like
soon.
tucked in too much.
Yeah, I
like
don't.
little,
Yeah.
little bit out and a
Yes.
little, you know,
Yeah.
like a
Yeah.
U-turn or a U-cut shot, whatever it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
called.
yeah, yeah.
That's more you, but surely that is going to happen.
Thank
I'll
you.
pray for it.
Thank you. Thank you. From
See
your
you.
mouth to God's ears.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
and take care of
Thank
yourself.
you. Thank you.